A Valentine special treat, this eggless red velvet baked cheesecake is rich, creamy and absolutely stunning. Let's make it step by step. Let's start with the base. In a bowl, take 21 gram of butter, room temperature and unsalted. 18 gram of caster sugar. Cream them together until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next add 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, half teaspoon red gel food color or beetroot powder for a natural option. Mix well. Now add in 32 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 gram cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Gently fold everything using a spatula until well combined. Add 4 gram half teaspoon milk and mix until it forms a soft cookie dough. I'm using a 5-inch pan with removable base. To make demolding easier, I'm flipping the base upside down and locking it back. Line the bottom with baking paper. Scoop the cookie dough into the pan and spread it evenly using a spoon or a flat utensil. I'm also pressing some dough along the sides, covering 1/3 of the pan's height. This will give the cheesecake a beautiful finish. Make sure the base is even and not too thick. Bake this in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius, that is 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 to 5 minutes. Once baked, let it cool completely before adding the cheesecake batter. While the base cools, let's bake the cheesecake filling. For that, in a bowl, take 190 gram of cream cheese. Use a spatula to smooth it out. Now add 36 gram of icing sugar. Do not use caster sugar. Mix until smooth. Next add 45 gram of condensed milk, half teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix well until combined. In another bowl, mix 69 gram of heavy cream and 10 gram of cornflour. Whisk until there are no lumps. Then add this to the cream cheese mixture. Mix everything well to form a silky batter. To ensure a perfectly smooth cheesecake, strain the batter before using. Now for creating the red velvet swirl, I'm going to transfer 3 to 4 tablespoons of cheesecake batter into a separate bowl. Add 2 to 3 drops of red food color and mix well. This will give our cheesecake the classic red velvet look. Just before pouring, add 3 to 4 drops of lemon juice to the main cheesecake batter and mix. Now for the assembly, pour half of the plain cheesecake batter over the now cooled cookie base and spread it evenly. Drop small dollops of red batter over it. Use a toothpick or chopstick to gently swirl the colors together. Pour the remaining plain batter over it. And repeat the swirl pattern on top. Keep the edges mostly white for a striking contrast. To bake the cheesecake gently and prevent cracks, we'll use a water bath. For that, place the cheesecake tin inside a smaller pan. Then place this inside a larger pan and pour hot water into the large pan. Make sure the water does not touch the cheesecake tin. Bake this in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius, that is 320 degrees Fahrenheit, for 22 to 25 minutes. The edges should be set, but the center should have a slight jiggle when shaken. Now this step is crucial to avoid cracks and sinking. Turn off your oven, but leave the cheesecake inside. Keep the oven door slightly open and let it cool for 1 hour. Then refrigerate overnight for the best texture. This slow cooling process will help maintain a smooth, crack-free top. Once fully set, carefully remove the cheesecake from the pan. Look at this gorgeous eggless red velvet baked cheesecake. Rich, smoothie and creamy. Now let's slice into it. Just look at that creamy smooth texture. Try this recipe at home and share your feedback in the comments. If you enjoyed this, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss my new uploads. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco. I'm Apurvi, sharing eggless delights with you every week. See you next time.